think the biggest challenges that we're facing at the moment, apart from the supply chain issue, because I think that's temporary, and I think, you know, delivery drivers, again, that's temporary because the pandemic prevented people from taking driving tests and all of that stuff. That will get better. The biggest problem I think that we have as a manufacturing company is the supply of skilled labour. You know, welders, fabricators, electricians, all of those. We've got, I won't say an ageing workforce, but we've got, you know, average age of about 50 years old in our works across the board. And we are now looking at either cross-training, apprenticeships, and upskilling certain people within the business to make sure that we've got the skills necessary to complete our production. That what I say is our biggest challenge. I think apprenticeships now, I mean, a few years back, to be fair, they were little more than a youth training scheme. They were not very well rewarded, and we ourselves, when we had a few apprentices, you know, 5, 7, 8 years ago, literally they came to work, they went to college, they were sweeping the floors, and it wasn't very well structured. I mean, that's us, and I will openly admit that. We've recently joined forces with South Birmingham College, and we are looking at new apprentice schemes, and my discussions with the college have been very, very fruitful. It seems that the apprenticeships now are far more structured. There's proper modules, workable modules, useful modules for industry, and they seem to be being a lot more policed with proper certification at the end of it. We've actually just put one of our current guys through an apprenticeship who's been working with us for 2 years. So we're upskilling him, training him, and we're looking to take on a few young apprentices into the company in the early part of next year.